Hey guys, so today's video is actually an Amazon haul. I'm going to start with the things that I got for my bedroom slash makeup room first, and then we'll get into what I have in my kitchen and then what I keep in my bathroom. First up is this guy right here that you guys saw in the thumbnail. This is my new diffuser. He's like my new baby. He's so cute. I basically wanted to get this because I wanted something that could help moisten the air, especially with it being so cold. Even though spring just started a few days ago, it literally snowed yesterday at my house. My skin is the driest it's ever been in my entire life right now, so I need any help that I can get. So I started putting this next to my bedstand, on my bedstand, which is next to my bed, and I definitely do notice a difference in my skin. It feels a lot more plump and hydrated in the morning. I don't have as many dry patches as I usually do, and I just feel like my makeup has been going on a lot better, and I've only been using it for a week. There's 3 different settings. I actually make it go for 6 hours during the night, and then sometimes like I'll wake up after the 6 hours and notice that it turned itself off, and then I'll put on like another hour because there's like a little bit of water left. But this is a really cute design. This is just a lid right here where the steam comes out from, and you fill it up in there. I have some water in there right now. But what you do is you throw in some essential oils. So for me, for example, I love using lavender because it's very calming. It makes me sleepy at night. But if you do want this diffuser to be like out in your house, in your kitchen, when you wake up in the morning and you just want, you know, the air around you to be more filled with more moisture and also to be filled with really good scents, you could throw in other things like orange or lemon or, you know, whatever you happen to like, peppermint. The plug looks like this. So yeah, you just plug it in and it goes. It's amazing. I love it. No problems with it, and I like the way it looks. I think it's very aesthetic. It actually matches my bedroom furniture. I also decided to get, but haven't used yet, because I suck at life and I need to completely reorganize my makeup room, but I just, honestly, there's just a lot of makeup in here and I didn't know where to put it, so I got these. I think there was like 12 to 15 of them that came all together, but they're basically just those like cubes. You guys have seen them, like the storage cubes. I liked the color because it was tan. It's so funny, so my whole house is filled with like dark furniture, but my YouTube room, my beauty room, makeup room is filled with all light furniture, like everything's white. So I was like, all right, I think what I'm gonna do is bring my cubes back up here that I had gotten from either Walmart or IKEA a long time ago, and I'm going to put these into each cube. And what I'm gonna do is actually label it and have like one say mascara, one say eyeliner, one say makeup palettes, and I'm just gonna organize my makeup that way and throw it all in here, because look how big this is. Alex drawers that I have just aren't cutting it. They're not working out. I am excited because these seem very sturdy. All right, so next I'm gonna talk about the things that I bought on Amazon that I keep in my kitchen. So first up is this skin detox tea. This is from the brand Yogi, and it is made with soothing red hibiscus, green tea, honey bush leaf, red clover leaf, cardamom, barberry, orange peel, burdock root, dandelion root, yellow dock root, and stevia leaf. So basically a whole bunch of stuff in here that really helps to clear your skin. Really been trying to not only like improve my skincare routine, but also what I'm eating, like what I am taking in, so that my skin can look as best as it possibly can. So I've been drinking this 2 times a day. I'll have one in the morning and then one like later in the day. I actually really like this. I like the way it tastes. I am not a tea person at all. Like, I'm very much a coffee person. I still drink coffee. I still really love it, but I just wanted something that I didn't have to put creamer into, that I didn't have to put any sugar into, that just tastes really good on its own. And it's been very hard for me to find a tea that is like that, but this one actually tastes really good, so I'm really happy about that. And I have noticed my skin has cleared. I recently had a pretty bad breakout a little bit ago, like last month. So this, I think, along with a lot of other things I've been doing, have definitely cleared up my skin. I ended up buying, I think it came in like 6 of these. It was a big box full of them. I've gone through one of these boxes already, and I'm onto this one now. So I really do like it and would totally recommend it for you guys if you are looking for a tea. I also decided to get organic Japanese matcha. This is finely milled green tea powder. You're supposed to mix it in with your smoothies, lattes. You can bake with it. There's a whole bunch of different recipes that I've been looking up online. So far, the only thing I've done is put it in my smoothies. I put like a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of this into my smoothie every single day, along with chia seeds, my whey protein powder, almond milk, frozen strawberries or frozen bananas, and I've really been liking it. This is another thing that is incredibly good for you. I was researching online. This is just like an amazing thing to have every single day. Yeah, this is just kind of like a little sample size in here. It's got 1 ounce, but I've been using it for like the past 2 weeks, and I still have quite a lot left in here since I only use like a tablespoon or a teaspoon each time. Also in my kitchen is where I keep these Art Naturals oils. This is an essential 8 oil set. There was a lot of different sets on Amazon, but the reason why I went for this one is because it had all of the essential oils that I wanted in it. Like there were ones that didn't have lavender or that didn't have rosemary, which those are 2 that I definitely wanted and that I actually use the most. This also has tea tree, frankincense, lemongrass, sweet orange, peppermint, and eucalyptus. This has been really, really nice. I use it a lot. I use it for my diffuser. I use it for hair masks. I've done face masks with these, like with the tea tree oil. And they've been great. They all smell amazing. I haven't had any problems with them, besides the fact that, and I don't know if this happens with all essential oils, but I cannot control how much drops out of these. Like the dropper is just not very good. When you go to pour it out, like 20 drops come out. So I never know how many drops I'm gonna get. I can't figure out how to use it correctly. But besides that, I do really like these a lot. Also, I decided to get 100% pure organic castor oil. This is from the brand Sky Organics. I use this every single day when, like right before I go to bed, with a little like mascara spoolie brush. I'll just get some out and put it on my eyebrows. I also put it on my eyelashes, and I've been doing this for like the past month. Definitely notice that they are growing, but I also love to use it in my hair masks and for scalp treatments because it helps to promote hair growth. Moving on to what I keep in my bathroom, I actually was on Pinterest. I'm obsessed with Pinterest. I actually think I like Pinterest more than Instagram. But yeah, I was on Pinterest and I found a girl who has curly hair who wrote a full-out blog post about her routine, like what she does, what she uses, and I was obsessed with her curls. They just look so pretty and bouncy and shiny. So I was trying to figure out what does she use. She recommended these 2 things. They were on Amazon, super cheap, and they both didn't have any like bad ingredients or you know, like harsh chemicals in them. So I was like, I'm gonna get it. She convinced me. I went ahead and bought them on Amazon, and I gotta say, I'm really impressed with the fact that I'm able to get the same look with my curls that she had. Because usually when you go to like try, not usually, but like sometimes when you go to try things that people recommend, it doesn't end up working out for you or you can't get that same look that that other person had that you really want. But this time it actually worked out. I mean, I was actually able to get the same curls that she had just by using the products she recommended. So I was like really happy I stumbled across that blog post. First thing is this. It's the Eco Style Professional Styling Gel. This is 100% olive oil. It is alcohol-free for all hair types. It helps to moisturize the hair, tame the frizz, no flaking, no tackiness, and it is anti-itch as well, which is pretty cool. It helps to moisturize your hair, it attracts moisture to the scalp and holds it in. It's a weightless gel that'll leave your hair healthy and shiny with superior hold. So the hold for this is max level 10, which is why I was honestly a little bit afraid to pick this up, but the way that she used it honestly made so much sense. So I did exactly what she said. What you do is you do all of your usual styling products, like your oils and your leave-in conditioners, and then you use this last. This is what it looks like. You see that? It's pretty thick. It's like a pretty thick gel. I'll take a little bit of this into the palm of my hands, rub it together, and then scrunch it into my hair like a gel. I'll scrunch it in there all the way from the roots to the scalp, and I will just leave my hair alone. I'll let it air dry. After about like an hour to an hour and a half, my hair is fully dried. But it's weird because it doesn't look dry. Your hair is going to be like really flat to your head and just like no volume. What you have to do is you have to scrunch the product out. So you take a t-shirt and you just scrunch all around, all over your hair after it's already been dried. Make sure it's dry first. And it's like suddenly your hair comes to life. I mean, it's like your hair has bounce, really big and voluminous, and the curls are like perfect. Honestly, I'm like so happy that I came across her blog post because I was really trying to find a gel or something that I could use that would help get rid of my frizz and help to reshape my curls a little bit more. And then I also got this. It is the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair. It's a leave-in conditioning cream made with no sulfates, no paraben, and no silicones. Also no mineral oil as well. It smells amazing. It smells like oranges. It's a pretty thick cream. I've only used this once though. This is the only thing that came in pretty recently and I haven't been able to get much use out of it, but I think I do like it a lot. Honestly, it just makes my hair smell really good, but I think it does do a great job of moisturizing my hair. The only thing I have a problem with is that it is hard to get it to really melt into my hair. So I think since it's made with shea butter, it just takes a lot more work and a lot more like smoothing out to get it to really soak in. But other than that, I've been really liking it. One of the things that I've really been liking is this rose water. So it's been hard for me to find one that is only rose water, like 100% rose water, no other ingredients in it. I just wanted rose water. And I finally found it. It is this one by Levin Rose. And yeah, I love it. I use this as a toner for both my hair and my face. I'll spray this on after I've washed my face. And I love that it absorbs in quick to my skin. It feels very hydrating. It's great for sensitive, dry skin, which is what I have. I was using witch hazel before, and I think it was actually breaking me out and making my skin feel really red and irritated. Witch hazel is a lot better for oily skin girls because it is stronger than rose water. Rose water is very gentle, and it doesn't cause any irritation. So that is why I wanted to get rose water, because the witch hazel was just like kind of messing up my face. Then I also got two new moisturizers. This one by Dr. Hushka. It's the Rose Day Cream. And the reason I got it on Amazon was because it comes faster since I have Prime. So I got it like within a day. It was on my doorstep, rather than ordering from the actual website or from some other shop online. It would have taken a lot longer to get here, and I was just like, oh, I really want it, and the price was right. It was $27, which is actually a lot for a tiny little moisturizer like this. I don't usually pay that much, but I've just really been trying to improve my skin, and so I thought it was worth it. This has no bad ingredients in it. It's all very natural stuff. Lots of different oils that have a very low rating for non-comedogenic oils, meaning that they're not going to clog your pores, they're not going to cause breakouts, and it's just like a really thick cream. I've been liking this a lot. I use it in the morning and at night. I've been using it for like the past few weeks, and I'm just like obsessed with it. It smells great. So this is unrefined shea butter. It is 100% pure. I got the mini 8-ounce bar. It is half a pound. They had a bigger version of this that was a full pound, and that would have been way too much. Even though both are pretty cheap, I am happy that I got the smaller size because it's going to take me forever to use this all up. This is how big it is. It is huge. So what I do is I just take a tiny little bit of this and I rub it between my fingertips to warm it up, just the same as that moisturizer, and I just pat it into my skin, focusing it mainly on the outer corners of my face, and then I'll kind of work it inwards just because the outer corners are a lot drier than my T-zone area, and oh my gosh, it has helped so much. It's funny because I actually break out the most where I am the most dry, like on my cheek area, and this has completely healed all the blemishes that I had. I noticed that it makes my acne look a lot less inflamed, a lot less red, and it helps it to go away faster. Also, I had a lot of dry spots when I would wake up in the morning, and this completely got rid of those. So I'm glad that I'm able to get the hydration I need for my face without using all of these harsh chemicals and products and stuff. It's just very natural and it gets the job done. So yeah, that's actually everything that I got from Amazon. That is my Amazon haul. I am in love with everything basically, which is good. Good news. Let me know if you guys have done an Amazon haul lately. What did you guys get? How do you like it? Put it in the comments below. And if you ended up liking this video, I would appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.